Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to give you a glimpse inside a new series I'm trying. This is a quick glimpse, if you will. This project is nothing that was worth, I thought, filming in its entirety, but it was something to show how you could do something to think outside the box, to come up with a creative solution to a problem that you may not have known you had. So here's the idea. These are quick little videos called Quick Glimpses, and I want to know if they work. So this awesome community in the maker community has been so welcoming and so great and so honest, and that's what I expect from you this time. So leave me a comment down below. One, if you liked the project, or if you didn't, let me know what you thought of that. And also, if you like this format of a quick little video that doesn't necessarily need to be filmed, but shows you a result that is beneficial. So guys, here it comes. Take a quick glimpse at this week's project. So what is this shelf thing? A lot of great guesses on Instagram. As you can see, it looks fairly normal, a shelf of any type, but it's got this kind of unconventional bottom. So what's it used for? For me, I threw this together last night. It's gonna serve me two purposes, so let's check it out. So after taking a few careful measurements, I made this piece to snugly fit over the deck of the joiner. As you can see here, I'm gonna take you under the hood and give you a look exactly what's inside. These two support pieces rest on the deck, giving the top structure a lot of strength, which now affords me to put my tools off to the side, giving me more room on the workbench. So what exactly is dual purpose? Well, it's a horizontal work surface to get tools out of the way, keep my workbench free and clear, and secondly, it protects the joiner. All right, so I have a two-car garage that stays open most of the time. Sometimes I'm inside and it starts to rain, and guess what happens? Stainless steel gets rusted. This will protect it from that, and that was the second purpose. Thanks for joining us for this one, guys. See you next time.